Very good afternoon to all dear my students. Welcome to our school Suman Ramesh Tulsiani International School Kamche. Today's our subject is EVS Part 2 Class 4. Today we are going to start our chapter number 8 Defeat of Internal Enemies. Okay. So standard 4th. Okay. Now we will start. By use of force. The Mavlas of the 12 Mavlas gathered around Shivaji, ready to bidding. So, the Mavlas of the Mavar, they were ready to do anything for Shivaji Maharaj. They lived for Swarajya and were willing to die for it. They always ready to do anything for Shivaji Maharaj. They were simple Maratha folk. They loved Shivaji more than their life. They were always ready to do anything for Shivaji Maharaj. So the Shahjahan incensed them against Shivaji Maharaj. Means Baji and Khandoji Ghorpade, they were in the Adil Shah Jagir. So Adil Shah incensed them, encouraged them against Shivaji. They created a lot of trouble in Kondana district, but Shivaji was more than match for them. Khandoji and Baji Ghorpade, they had created so much trouble to the people, but Shivaji Maharaj was more than them. He defeated and drove them out. So Shivaji Maharaj defeated with them and drove them. He drove them. He out them from that place. Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar of Fulton. So he was the brother of Saibai. Saibai was the wife of Shivaji Maharaj. So battle in between the Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar of Fulton and Shivaji Maharaj. So also Shivaji Maharaj defeated with him, and afterwards he came to the Shivaji Maharaj side to Shivaji to support Shivaji Maharaj. Sambhaji Mohite of Supe, a near relative of Shivaji, also started plotting against Shivaji. So Sambhaji Mohite of Supe, he also planning something against the Shivaji Maharaj. So Shivaji Maharaj arrested him at Supe and banished him to Karnataka. With Shivaji Maharaj, duty come first and relatives afterwards. So this was the aim, this was the rule for Shivaji Maharaj. Duty come first. Our duty is the first. Our Swarajya is the first. Afterwards, our relatives come. Then Chandra Rao More of Shivaji. The greatness of Shivaji's achievement was recognized and applauded everywhere. So, the greatness of Shivaji Maharaj achievement was applauded everywhere. So many people was talking about the Shivaji Maharaj. He captivated the heart of these people. So he has attracted the heart of his people. Some people did not like this, but some of the others, they did not like the Shivaji Maharaj achievements. They look upon Shivaji as a mole in the eye. The More of Javli was one such person. More was a Jagirdar of Javli. This Jagir, which extended from Raigad to Koina Valley along with the title Chandra Rao, was conferred upon him by Adil Shah. Javli was covered with such a thick forest that even during the broad daylight the sun rays hardly penetrated it. Means Javli is covered with a thick forest that even during the broad daylight, even in the day, no sun rays coming there, hardly penetrate there. There, tiger, wolves, bears moving freely in that forest. So nobody was ready to go there. So Shivaji Maharaj decided to go there. Dawlatarao More died in 1645. There was a fight for succession among his descendants. Shivaji backed Yashwantrao More with Shivaji's help ascended the Gadi as a Chandra Rao. So Shivaji Maharaj helped to Yashwantrao More to become a king, become a Chandra Rao of More's Gadi. In return, Shivaji's help, Yashwantrao promised to help Shivaji in his struggle and pay him an annual tribute. So Shivaji Maharaj help him. So Yashwantrao has promised to Shivaji Maharaj to struggle, to help in Shivaji Maharaj in his struggle. He will help out the Shivaji Maharaj, but he all forgot all that things, all the promises. So he become impertinent and troublesome to the peoples. So also Shivaji Maharaj has decided we have to punish them, otherwise they will give some other trouble to the people. So Shivaji Maharaj punished them. Here we are stopping now. Thank you so much everyone.